Third-party risk management is drawing renewed attention in late 2025 as organizations adjust to a more transparent risk environment. Cybersecurity disclosures and post-incident reporting are placing greater emphasis on how vendors affect enterprise risk. This shift is closely tied to recent disclosure expectations, particularly in cybersecurity and operational resilience. When incidents occur, organizations are increasingly asked to explain how third-party dependencies factored into the event. Vendor relationships are no longer treated as separate from enterprise risk. They are understood as part of the organization's operating environment. At the same time, the structure of third-party ecosystems continues to evolve. Cloud services, managed platforms, outsourced development, and AI-enabled tools mean that organizations rely on a growing network of vendors to deliver core functions. Each relationship introduces dependencies that change over time through software updates, data flows, and service expansions. Managing this environment requires a view of vendor risk that reflects how these relationships actually operate rather than how they were assessed at a single point. This is influencing how third-party risk management programs are designed. Leading organizations are moving toward continuous vendor visibility, integrated risk profiling, and closer alignment between vendor oversight and enterprise risk frameworks. Vendor assessments, contract management, and ongoing monitoring are increasingly treated as connected processes rather than isolated tasks handled once a year. Platforms such as Centraleyes support this approach by linking third-party risk signals directly to enterprise risk intelligence. Vendor posture, control performance, and regulatory exposure can be assessed in context and updated as conditions change. This allows organizations to communicate vendor risk more clearly to leadership and to demonstrate oversight in a way that aligns with current regulatory and governance expectations.